Miracle Magnesium Drink, no anxiety in 1 week. One of the best natural cures for anxiety is magnesium, a mineral that participates in more than 300 biochemical reactions occurring in the body. Mark Hyman, MD, author of the Ultra Metabolism Cookbook and the Ultramind Solution, says, "I find it funny that more doctors aren't clued into the benefits of magnesium because we use it all the time in conventional medicine. Magnesium is needed to stabilize blood sugar levels, regulate the heartbeat, strengthen the bones, strengthen the immune system, boost energy levels, and much more. It fights inflammation in the brain, normalizes the function of the neurotransmitters, suppresses the stress response, and soothes the sympathetic nervous system, that acts in synergy with the parasympathetic nervous system, and is responsible for anxiety." According to Caroline Dean, MD, author of The Magnesium Miracle. Simply taking a good magnesium supplement could pull you out of a downward spiral. Numerous experts have linked magnesium deficiency and anxiety, and studies have shown that magnesium supplements reduce subjective measures of anxiety in moderately anxious individuals. Mona Dan, an herbalist and the owner of Vi Healing Acupuncture in Beverly Hills, adds, "Magnesium is a natural muscle relaxer, which immensely helps with anxiety. It is a nervous system relaxant and mineral that assists with fear, irritability, and restlessness. We hold on to so much tension within our muscles, and this is a super healthy and easy way to create calmness." Edison de Mello, MD, PhD, a board-certified integrative medicine physician and founder of probiotics line Activated You, and the care of the scientific advisory team, says, "Some would call this the first ever chill pill because it's been used to ease anxiety for centuries. It stabilizes the mood and promotes feelings of calm and well-being. Just make sure to take a supplement that contains both magnesium and calcium, since they're interdependent. Taking one without the other won't do much good." Unfortunately, magnesium deficiency is very common these days. While the recommended daily intake is between 320 and 400 milligrams, an average American adult consumes less than 250 milligrams of magnesium. According to Dr. Mercola. According to 2011 data, 45% of American adults do not get the recommended dietary allowance, RDA, amount of magnesium from their diet, and Teen Statistics 3 published in 2014 suggests nearly 92% of teenagers between 14 to 18 do not meet the estimated average requirement for magnesium from food alone. The most likely reason for this is because they do not eat fresh vegetables on a regular basis. These are the most common signs of magnesium deficiency: anxiety, depression, restlessness, trouble sleeping, insomnia, sore muscles, spasms, twitches, tremors, fragile bones, osteoporosis, irritability, for no reason, sensitivity to noise. These are the richest foods in magnesium you can consume. Dark leafy greens, 1 cup, 100 to 160 milligrams. Pumpkin seeds, 1 ounce, 150 milligrams. Black beans, 1 cup, 120 milligrams. Salmon, 1 fillet, 106 milligrams. Cashews, 1 ounce, 82 milligrams. Whole grains, 1 ounce, 50 to 70 milligrams. Dark chocolate, 1 ounce, 65 milligrams. Avocado, 1 medium, 59 milligrams. Tofu, 3.5 ounces, 53 milligrams. Bananas, 1 large, 37 milligrams. Try out the following miraculous anti-anxiety drink with magnesium-rich foods and you will be surprised by its effects. How to make a magnesium drink to help anxiety in 1 week. Ingredients: 1 cup kale, spinach, 157 milligrams. 1 banana, 32 milligrams. 1 teaspoon agave nectar, organic honey, 1 milligram. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 17 milligrams. 1 scoop protein powder. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, 27 milligrams. Instructions: mix the ingredients in a blender until smooth. Enjoy.